Chapter 2, organizing data. First, we have to know what kinds of variable we have. So first, before organizing data, we are going to discuss what types of the variables in statistics. It's actually, we have two types. One is the quantitative, and the other one is the quant. Okay, sometimes we can say the qualitative, that is the categorical variable, and quant, the quantitative, that is a numerical. Okay, it's the same thing. So we have two types, categorical or numerical. So it's actually today we are going to discuss the data. Yesterday we discussed what was the population. Population is huge, so we couldn't take care of them. So many students in the population. So in statistics, we take the small part of the population, name the sample, and then estimate something in the population. So actually, that is what we want to get in the population. So now, from the sample, we can make the data. From the sample, we can make the data. So I can email you and ask you what is your math scores, what is your major, and many things. It's age, name, it's anything, right? So the math scores, major, age, gender, they are all variables. But we have only two types. What? Categorical or numerical. Only two types. But the numerical one, the quantitative variable, has another two types. That will be discrete, continuous. Okay? So actually, now I can make the chart. So we have two types, categorical, numerical. Numerical has another two types, discrete and continuous. The discrete means it's countable. Continuous, uncountable. It's good, right? So please remember the variable types. So clearly, we have to understand what is the variable types for the data from the sample, and sample was from the population. It's good? I told you yesterday you are not a good sample. Remember that? Why? You love math. Small sample size. Yeah. But in this course, always we assumed already we had a good sample and good data. How can we make the good sample? That is the big issues in statistics. We are not going to take care of that. In another course, we have to take care of that. But in this course, we assumed already we had a good sample and good data. So see the chapter 2, the title. Now we can discuss how can we organize the data, the good data from the good sample. Okay? But anyway, we have two types and the other two types. It's good? Any question? Okay, let me ask you. Did you copy? Right? It's good. Let me give you an example. Sex, gender. How do you think? Basically, we had two types, categorical or numerical. How do you think? Sex. Which one? Categorical, yes. It is the qualitative. Categorical, yes. How about the age? Two types, categorical or numerical. Numerical, thank you. Yeah, it is easy. Only two types. How about this one? Zip code. I have a 72916. What is yours? 16? Okay, how about you?
Wait, what?
The zip code.
Oh, 72906.
56?
Yes.
7295. Where it is?
Van Buren.
Oh, Van Buren. Okay, good. What is yours?
72934.
34. Where?
Chester or Midlands.
Okay, good. Do you know where is the 72961? Okay, let me ask you. As a variable, two types, numerical, categorical, for zip code. Which one? Choose one. What? Why? It's numbers. 72916 to 72956. Why it is a categorical?
Population size, no. It's not telling you the number.
It is not numerical. How can I say it's not numerical values? It's nothing. When I ask you where is the 729, what did I ask you? 61? I don't know. We don't know. We don't know where it is, right? Be careful. Not all numbers. They are not all numerical. Absolutely, yes, it is a categorical. Does it make sense? Right? You know, we didn't read 72,916. So we can say it's a 72916, 72917, right? Yeah. So yes, it is numbers, but it is not numerical variable. Then the other one is a categorical variable. You know, you said sex was the categorical. But how about this one? Male equals 0, female equal 1. I assign the numbers. Male equal to 0. What does that mean? Male is nothing? No, we are not nothing. we just assign 0, 1, or the other way, 1 or 0, or sometimes it's -1 plus 1. It doesn't matter because it's actually the sex is the categorical variable. But for some convenience, yeah, we just assign the numbers, right? Yeah. So it's not always numbers. Sometimes it might be categorical. But remember, we had two types. It's good, right? But we have to choose, you know, sometimes, yeah, most of the time it is easy. It is easy to choose either one, categorical or numerical. But sometimes it is not easy. But you have to choose one of them. Because, you know, in chapter 2, the title was the organizing the data. The data means the categorical data. In chapter 3, we are going to have a similar title for chapter 3. Organizing or summarizing, right? Using the numerical variable. So we have big two parts. One is using the categorical variable, and the other part using the numerical variable. So even it is not easy, but we have to choose one of them. How about this one? The letter grade. At the end of the semester, I will give you the letter grade. A, B, C, D, F. Grade. Choose one. Only out of two. Categorical, numerical. It's a new. Why? It's alphabetical.
They represent
Letters.
numbers. They represent numbers
It represents numbers. What kind of numbers?
on a scale between.
I think. Are you saying the A equal 4.0?
90 to 100.
90. Okay. So it's another way. A. You can get A from 90 to 100. B from 80 to 89. C 70 to 79, and 60 to 69, and let me say it's lower than 59. Or GPA. A will be 4.0, B will be 3.0, 2.0, 1.0, and nothing. So the grade, I'm sorry, numerical. But when I focus on the letters, it looks like categorical, isn't it? But as you explained, it is the 90 to 100 is the 80s, 70s, 60s, right? Or 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. When I focus on the right one, it looks numerical. I told you, statistics is not easy, right? Honestly, I have no idea. Sometimes it looks like categorical. Sometimes it looks like numerical. But you have to choose one of them. Even it is not easy, confused, not clear, but you have to choose one of them, because in the next step, we have to go here using categorical or going the other way. So you must choose one of them. If you think, oh, it looks like numerical, okay, good, going to the numerical. But no, I think it's a categorical, yes, it's fine, go to the there. It's a categorical variable. It's the same thing. It's another example. How about this one? Age. What did you say, age? Categorical or numerical? Age. Numerical? But how about this one? You know, sometimes you could be asked, how old are you? Choice number 1, under 20. Choice number 2, 21 to 30. Choice number 3, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s. Using the multiple choices. It might be categorical, right? Yeah. So it depends on. It's not easy, right? Yeah. But I can say it depends on how can we measure the variable. But unfortunately, we had only two types, categorical or numerical. Qualitative or quantitative. You must choose one of them. That's good? In the exam, I will ask you the clear one. I do not ask you the grade or, yeah. Any problems in the exam, it will be clear. Yeah, it's a simple one. Okay, good? So please remember the two types, categorical or numerical. It's good?